How to get the Spotify Premium for free. So let's get started. So firstly go into your Spotify and click on the Premium. Now here you have to select the plan. As you can see that here is the individual, student, duo, family and also individual. So once you select the plan you have to tap on it. And after that you have to go back and go into your Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you have to click on this plus icon and here you have to search for the Spotify Premium. Now you have to click on it, and from here you have to select the plan that you select into your Spotify Premium, and after that simply tap on it. Now here you have to buy this according to your needs and for the 1 week or the for the one date, and if you want to change the plan you have to tap on it. And that's how you can buy the Spotify Premium. Well, you have to keep in mind that it is not possible to get the Spotify Premium for free. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.